Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix GeForce Experience unable to download recommended driver. So in order to fix it, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So first of all, if the GeForce Experience is unable to download the recommended drivers, try these quick steps. Ensure you are connected to a stable internet connection, or you could also try disabling antivirus for a temporary period. Sometimes antivirus program might mistakenly block the download, so temporarily disable it to see if that resolved the issue or not. You could also try running GeForce Experience as an administrator. To do it, what you have to do is right click on the mouse when you locate NVIDIA, and then you just have to make sure to go ahead and click on open file location and click on run and go to compatibility, then click on run as an administration. That should be able to help you out. Or else you could also check for a Windows update. Sometimes it could be an issue as well. Or you could try uninstalling the application and then reinstalling it at the same time, restart the device. That can be a helpful way to fix the issue. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.